In this video I'll show you the ECM location on your Kia Rondo and also how to remove it. So you're gonna open the hood. This is where your 12-volt battery is, and if you look up over here close to the windshield, the ECM is buried over here. Now first we need to remove the tabs. Take your screwdriver and try to pry it this way, and now you'll be able to push and swing the lever. You need to push it all the way out, and now you can remove the connector. Do the same thing on this side. It's exactly the same process. Here we go. The ECM is free. To remove it, you'll need 10mm sockets, and you'll need to remove, you see there's a bolt over here where there's another one deep inside at the same spot, and on this side as well you have one over here, and there's another one over there deep. It's a bit hard, you'll need maybe a longer ratchet, but once you remove those bolts, it will come right out. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.